Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to use Alaska Airlines miles. If you want to make your next trip with Alaska Airlines more comfortable, you can use your miles to upgrade to a first class fare. If you would rather save your miles for another redemption, you can always purchase a first class upgrade. Upgrade fees range from $23 to $199 depending on the length of the trip. Another way to extend the value of your Alaska miles is by booking a free stopover. You can get a free stopover per one-way ticket, which is a way to visit two cities for the price of one. You can do this online or get help from an Alaska Airlines agent at 1-800-252-7522. Technically, you could use the stopover option for any destination where it's available, but it's typically most valuable on international flights. You can also redeem your Alaska Airlines miles for charitable donations and gifts to friends and family. While these options are nice if you want more flexibility, overall your best bet for making miles count is using them for flights, hotels, first class upgrades, or stopovers. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.